the finished product. This is my console table slash sofa table. It is made of wood per the description. It's very heavy. It's 49 pounds. It comes with these antique bronze pulls that I really like. To me, it's a little bit more unique than the regular knobs. However, you can get it with regular knobs, so keep that in mind if you're interested in regular knobs. It has 4 drawers for storage, as you can see here. I'm pulling them out. The 2 drawers in the middle are smaller, and the 2 on the ends are a little bit larger, so that you can go ahead and store all your little knickknacks. The color description is a dark glaze teal finish, but to me this is not quite teal and not quite dark either. Take a step back and you can see those drawers. Although the color is not teal, and that's one of the reasons, that's one of the things I don't like about this, that it's not teal or true teal. It's something that if I want to over time, I can go ahead and sand down and just do like a stain or paint it a darker teal if I want to. The drawers that you see on here have a notch feature. It does have this plastic, I don't know what that is, but it kind of holds the drawer in place. You will push that down and then you can open the drawer or pull it out. Those are the 4 screws that come with it to anchor the legs to the main body and the bottom shelf here. And here's where I messed up. Now this bottom shelf has a capacity of about 50 pounds. And if you can see the part protruding, that is where I messed up initially. And it should have been on the bottom, not on the top. It has these L brackets with some screws that hold that in place as well. So I mentioned that the bottom shelf has a capacity of 50 pounds. Now the top portion of this sofa table slash console table is about 100 pounds, which is pretty good. What you should also know is that the dimensions on here are 60 by 10 by 35, which is another feature that I really liked about this. I like that it was slim and it's only 10 inches in depth. So if you're looking for something slim with a smooth finish as this does, go ahead and go with this. There's a white as well. I am going to make a video to decorate this table, so I'll put some fall decorations on here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.